I'm sharing how I went from being an underpaid teacher to making $20,000 plus per month in online income step by step. So hit follow now so you don't miss out on any of the information in this series, and let's get you the freedom to choose when and where you work. You're gonna do this by creating a digital brand. Now there's a couple different ways to do this, so that's the first thing that you need to decide. Do you want to, one, do it as a personal brand where you are representing yourself with your brand, or option two, stay anonymous, stay completely hidden, people don't know who's behind the brand, and create a faceless digital brand. There's pros and cons to both. Let's dive into them. The great thing about personal brands, sometimes it's easier to make sales from them because people connect to people. So when there's a face on the other side of the camera, people are more trusting of that. The downside, however, is it's you putting yourself out there in pictures, in videos every day, and not everybody's up for doing that. Faceless brands, on the other hand, sometimes can be faster to build, and you can outsource some of the content creation because you're not in the content yourself personally. However, sometimes it's harder to make sales from those brands because it's not person to person. Decide which one you feel more comfortable with and stay tuned for part 2.